Hey Tech family, it's time for another deep dive here at 90 Sec Tech, where we break down the best tools and tips in tech to help you thrive online. Today we're diving deep into one of the most comprehensive SEO and digital marketing tools out there, SEMrush. I've included a free trial download link in the description, so if you want to follow along, explore SEMrush yourself as we go through this. Whether you're running a small business or managing a bigger operation, SEMrush is a game changer. From keyword research and backlink analysis to AI-powered reports and competitive insights, this tool is packed with everything you need to optimize your website and get more traffic. Plus, it integrates AI to provide detailed insights that are super helpful for improving your website's ranking and overall performance. In this guide, we'll explore how to make the most of SEMrush's features to drive more visitors to your site and fine-tune your digital marketing strategies. If you're curious to try it out, there's a free trial available for new users, so stick around as we dive into the awesome features SEMrush has to offer. Competitive research tools. One of SEMrush's standout features is its suite of competitive research tools. If you want to keep a close watch on your competitors and understand what they're doing online, SEMrush makes it incredibly easy. With just a few clicks, you can access 4 main tools: domain overview, traffic analytics, organic research, and keyword gap. These tools provide a comprehensive view of your competitors' online performance, allowing you to identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities in your own strategy. It's a must-have for staying ahead in the digital landscape. Domain overview. The Domain Overview tool gives you a quick snapshot of any website's visibility. This includes valuable insights such as the top-performing keywords driving traffic and the geographic locations where that traffic originates. This global view is perfect for gaining a broad understanding of any site's performance. Additionally, SEMrush offers more detailed tools like the Keyword Research module for users who want to dive deeper into specific data. Whether you want to assess your own site or scope out a competitor's, Domain Overview is a great starting point. Next up is the Traffic Analytics Overview Report, one of SEMrush's most powerful tools for understanding competitors' site traffic. This tool provides a detailed breakdown of traffic sources, helping you pinpoint what's working for your competitors. With these insights, you can adapt your strategy to take advantage of trends and opportunities. The tool even includes a traffic journey widget that shows how users are interacting with your competitors' sites. This invaluable data helps you uncover new niches and growth opportunities, allowing you to make strategic adjustments that can boost your own performance. Organic Research Tool. The Organic Research tool is perfect for analyzing organic traffic trends. This feature helps you keep an eye on the performance of important keywords, showing you which terms are gaining traction and which are becoming less relevant. By staying ahead of keyword trends, you can adjust your SEO strategy in real time, ensuring your content remains competitive and relevant. This tool also helps you focus on high-value keywords that will give you the edge over your competitors. Then we have the Keyword Gap tool. The Keyword Gap tool is another game changer. It allows you to compare your site's keyword performance directly with your competitors. Highlighting any gaps in your SEO strategy, you can see where competitors are outranking you and identify opportunities to target keywords they may be missing. By analyzing multiple sites at once, this tool makes it easy to strengthen your keyword game and boost your rankings. Keyword Research Tools. When it comes to keyword research, SEMrush is a powerhouse. With one of the largest keyword databases available, it offers detailed and actionable insights that help you craft winning strategies. Whether you're targeting high-traffic keywords or seeking out niche terms, SEMrush gives you the data you need to succeed. Keyword Overview. The Keyword Overview tool provides a comprehensive look at any keyword's performance. Beyond just search volume and competition, this tool offers insights into the commercial viability of each keyword, helping you determine which ones are worth pursuing. It also suggests content ideas based on these keywords, making it easier to build targeted, high-ranking content. The Keyword Magic tool is one of SEMrush's most powerful features with access to over 25 billion keywords. This tool simplifies the process of building keyword lists, offering advanced filters so you can zero in on specific targeted keywords for your content. It connects seamlessly with other features like Keyword Overview and Keyword Manager, streamlining your workflow and making keyword research faster and more efficient. Keyword Manager. Speaking of the Keyword Manager, this tool lets you organize and analyze up to 2,000 keywords at once, making it a must-have for detailed SEO strategies. One particularly useful feature is the Clusters tab, which suggests new topic clusters based on your keywords, sparking fresh content ideas and helping you stay ahead of the competition. Position tracking. The position tracking tool allows you to monitor how your site ranks for specific keywords over time. Even if your keywords aren't in SEMrush's database, you can still track them. One standout feature is the Snippets report, which helps you identify opportunities to capture featured snippets on search engines. With position tracking, you get real-time insights into your performance and can quickly adjust your strategy to improve rankings. Organic Traffic Insights. The Organic Traffic Insights tool combines data from SEMrush, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console, giving you a complete picture of your website's organic performance. This all-in-one view helps you understand which keywords are driving the most traffic, how well your content is ranking, and where there's room for improvement. By consolidating key metrics, you get a more strategic overview of how to boost organic traffic. On-page and technical SEO, SEMrush isn't just about keywords. It's also a powerful tool for on-page and technical SEO. One of its best features is the Site Audit tool, which performs over 140 SEO checks, identifying issues on your site that need attention. The tool prioritizes the most critical issues and even provides suggestions for fixing them, making it easier to maintain a healthy and optimized website. SEO Content Template. The SEO Content Template tool helps you plan and create content that is both optimized for search engines and engaging for readers. It provides guidelines based on target keywords, including suggestions for keyword usage, content length, and readability. It also shows you what your competitors are doing, giving you the insights you need to create content that stands out and ranks higher. Social media content. SEMrush isn't limited to just SEO. It also helps with social media content. Whether you're on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience. SEMrush can help you identify which content performs best and how to optimize your social media strategy for more engagement and growth. SEMrush is a comprehensive digital marketing tool that can transform your SEO and content strategies. From competitive analysis to keyword research and technical SEO, it's packed with features designed to help you succeed online. If you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, try SEMrush's free trial today and start exploring its powerful features for yourself. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business and dominate your niche.